In this video, we show how to replace an EDSFF drive in a PowerEdge R7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove an EDSFF drive carrier, lift up on the release latch and then pull out using the drive handle. To remove the drive from the carrier, loosen and remove the 2 Torx screws from the carrier. And then remove the drive. To install a drive in a carrier, align the carrier with the drive, then replace the 2 Torx screws to secure it in place. Then to install an EDSFF drive carrier, align it with the system, sliding it all the way in, then lift the handle and close it. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R7725, visit dell.com/support.